In today's episode, I'm cleaning up a disaster area. So if you're interested in finding out what area I'm cleaning up, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, everyone. I'm Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now, I'm in the master bathroom, and what happened was the long pole in the back of the closet, well, it broke. It was wood, and I kind of knew it was going to because it had just a slight dip in it when we moved in here. And my husband said he didn't think it was going to break anytime soon, so we were good. Well, it broke, and all the clothes, of course, were on the floor. So I gathered all my clothes and I put them in this bathtub until we got the pole. He took some of his suits and things and hung them in, and then he laid them all on the floor. But I took all mine and just brought them in here and put them in the tub. Hangers, all, everything. Well, it's been fixed. And I have some that are hanging up, but dare I show you? Let me show you. Baskets, and tub full of clothes. Hangers, clothes, yeah, it's a lot. So my job is I'm going to attempt to at least empty out the bathtub today because I have this hamper here and a mountain here, and some of this mountain here belongs to my husband, and so it's a 50-50 trade with this mountain. But then I have a basket load of clothes I washed that need to be dealt with as well. So my journey today is to try to get the tub emptied so it don't look like a monster died in here. And try to get my bathroom back to being what it is, a bathroom instead of a dump zone. So, showing you my shame. And I'm going to show you the closet. Okay, I have some things here. Now, my husband let the ironing board down again and didn't put it back up. But I have some things that I have hung up over here and some things here. What I'm trying to do is make sure all the long stuff is over here on this section here, and then the shirts here and the pants and, skirts here. So, I'm going to try to attempt to get the tub empty today and get those things up, which will make my bathroom, a little bit more neater. So, thought I'd bring you along while I become the slave today. So, let's get started. Okay, I accomplished one goal. The bathtub is empty. There's no clothes in the bathtub. So next I will be tackling this mountain, these two hampers, the basket, and most of these things up here need to be, some of these things need to be folded. Some I need to find hangers for to put in the closet. So that will be my next journey. Let me take you in here. I have everything hung up that I brought in here. After I empty that mountain, then I am going to organize this by color, attempt to organize this by color, and make sure that all the shirts and skirts are in the right places, because I'm seeing shirts up there and some skirts, but I want all the skirts down low. No, I want the shirts down low because it's longer space. Put the shirts down low and the skirts up high. So that'll be the next thing. And then get this kind of looking half decent. But the clothes are hung up. I know it still looks like a hot mess in here, but they're in here. And the rearranging and all that will come next. So until the next episode, you be blessed. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.